Clear fish.
Nice.
I've done that, they done it. Yeah, people, welcome back to channel 784 VHTV, and we are here in Gorse, below the Prime Minister house. You catch? Yeah, we are in Gorse, and we're going down to the. There's a little deep old waterfall. I don't go down there already. Carry down load and thing. Diamond down there, and so other people coming to meet me just now. Yeah. So we go down. I don't know what this structure was, but seems like somebody abandoned investment here. So you have to walk under here, so come out here, so we got Bradley and his friend down there. Some people down there. Then don't tell we say them I leave just now. Yeah, we tell them no problem, man, you know. Yeah. Diamond over there. Like you are try to see if you get Wi-Fi. Prime Minister Wi-Fi now reach down there, man. Say hi. Hi there, man. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
You fine?
Thank you. How about you?
Great and wonderful.
Okay, like it.
I'm tired. Like it?
Yeah.
It's like an abandoned place, just that. This is an abandoned place. I don't know what it was or what it was supposed to be. Yeah. Oh, you walk all over there? Oh. Oh, if you walk down by what? By far down there? Okay. Nice. Yeah, big up people that we meet here. Virginia show we by road. Yeah, brother, bless up. Oh, and you walk go straight down and go down? Okay. When your time come. Nice. Cool. Look at waterfall over here. What do you do? Perfect. Oh, I remember a broth. Yeah. Why from down here? Oh. I pass a broth, a bowl later and so on. Nice, it's a deep one. Show them what? No, the real thing still, come on. Pure fish. Yeah, nice. Watch the food, but he's cutting up carrots. Yeah, guys. Come on. Diamond cutting up onion. And then cut up garlic. Pepper don't cut up. Pumpkin don't cut up. And make a light the fire. Come on. Another fire? Yeah, okay, yeah, enough cozy. So we got done everything fast.
Let's have block. We can do it down there now. Right?
Yeah? No. You want to put it on? You go white water.
Oh, we need a container for the water.
We validate them on.
Yeah, no.
Jojo. Come on, man. They man, they rain out. Nice.
Yeah, see, just so you like you want to use the car?
You first.
You see thing we wrap post for Facebook? No.
Sad.
Wait, they see.
Yeah. Nice.
No, it's okra water. You want to be class.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh, that no one. Yeah, so that shut off.
Yeah, that'll work. Come on. Nice. Sweet potato fries.
That's right.
Everything I got done one time, man. Come from?
That way, so you have to know who you take from.
No, but I get them from alright to come. Once you want it for use. What
I'm going to back with 12 line.
are you going to do then? Oh. Nice. When people up there fishing and not dirty water. But the spring over, but over here, the side is nice. Over here, real nice. This water is clean though. Although them are dirty water, I mean, I know them are dirty.
A little bit different.
Oh. Yeah, it is mess up kitchen.
What?
Yeah, what? See the house back.
But I will
You show this ready.
people come out from all over for my fried chicken, so
So. Alright, Top Chef. Hey man, waiting up, put the chunks in the water.
oh la, put them now.
Splashing. Splashing. Yeah, check out all them things.
Yeah, tongue. Oh lad. I'm over to the tongue. Send the fire one time.
Don't make up,
That should have been this day. What do you say? That one even forgot what it said.
okay. Stone a pop. Sad. Have to be careful that, you know.
I mean, hey, don't step on Nana.
Yes? Hot fire. So you say ring in the ears?
It's ringing right in the ears.
Oh Lord, poor thing.
Over here. Yeah, that's fine now.
Let me see if crayfish I catch last time. We couldn't do them. We take them off? Take them off already. You can bite you? What? Should I try any chunks one time? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm going to finish something.
Whole bowl of chunks.
You want some seasoning?
Chunks through. When them chunks is swell up and then come big enough. Alright. Coming on good, myself. Yeah?
I never cooked chunks.
You never cook chunks?
My second time eating it.
Oh wow. So what upon them? What on them? Come on, nice pool. Come on.
Chunks in man.
Chunks done.
This is nice.
I've done that, they done yet, bro.
You are simmer though.
I'll buy some of them wraps. Sorry, I'll do it.
Hmm?
I'll buy them.
Waiting. You ready? It done? See that done, man. That done.
You getting too much water?
Buy too much water. That's why you buy long somewhere?
Yeah, just a lico.
A lico. Why is a lico?
Me not want it, sir.
Yeah, man.
It's
See?
a thick cabbage.
Yeah, man. See, we buy long lico.
Yeah, liquor up plenty.
Something I know if you make it look like so. On your pipe also like so. Someone in Rome. One of just fix up their house and then on the other property.
Oh, sorry.
When me done, you will talk. You sure now we want to put any more oil in there? Or you want to balance it first? Balance it. Nice.
Yeah.
You only have to put 1 meter so to get
It's a whole idea.
Vincent oats to go. We only do 1 inch, so we'll get a piece each.
It's hot. It's hot, man.
How you want to heat up? Eh? How you want to heat up?
It's hot.
Vince used to go
I
spin
don't
it
want
up.
a lot, just because I don't know if I will eat it.
Okay, so let me. Okay, this is yours on that day. So go just send me when to start.
She can eat it, I'm sorry she.
I could eat some more. Okay, that's enough. If anything, I will go back and get some more. I don't know how it tastes.
They know
Little
them.
thing. Okay, I'm going to eat the rest.
Remember, I never really.
Okay.
Pull up the bowl. Tasting chunks for the second time after 20 years.
It's good, man.
Of course. I get she warm one.
Let's put one more.
Yeah, one more. And then man, I will kill me rest. We don't know one more. Come on, say sweet potato in the pot in the bowl now there, man. There enough chunks, there enough chunks. Cover back the pot. So sweet potato. Should I take this wrap one time? You throw one over there. You see old sugar wrap. That's how we deal with it.
Isn't it nice?
Of course. Next time I'm going to Bradley a cook, eh?
I've been telling Harry so Harry tell me Bradley cook.
I'm going to bring you pizza.
Bradley never cook.
Me and Kianjo. Me and
Bradley
Kianjo
never
go
cook a waterfall yet.
Me and Kianjo go cook.
Okay, so Bradley, see what I want now.
I'm going to bring Kianjo and Tony go cook.
This is really good though.
Yeah, man. Natural. Pass the big knife in, you know. Come there, man. Cut the oats. Yeah, do that one now. Huh? Catch. Come, Bradley. You're Mr. Wandy. Come there, man. Catch. Come on, enjoy. Yeah. Take off that. Take off that. Not that this one. Have a choke that fire, you know. Okay, go on. There's the people by the waterfall. Chunks, sweet potato, and Vince oat wrap, spinach and oats. Nice. Come on. Yeah, I don't know there, man. I already do a sticker now. Don't need it. Yeah. Nice. So, man, put it this.